Hey, what's up everyone? In this video we are going to talk about the top best mirrorless cameras you can buy on Amazon. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. Despite the fact that modern smartphones have high quality cameras, the main problem with this camera that they have fixed lenses which limit their photography abilities. Mirrorless cameras use interchangeable lenses that are known for being lightweight, simple to operate, and noiseless. A mirrorless camera can improve your trip experience by allowing you to record some memorable moment along the way. As a result, we have compiled a list of top 3 best mirrorless cameras for beginners. This list is based on my personal opinion and researches and lists them based on random numbering. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. On number 3, Panasonic Lumix G100. The Panasonic Lumix G100 is an excellent choice for YouTubers and vloggers. A small and light camera with the ability to shoot vertically without turning camera in both 16:9 and 9:16 aspect ratios. Panasonic has teamed with Nokia's OZO Audio to improve the audio quality of the camera's built-in microphone. This camera is small and lightweighting, around 303 grams without the battery and up to 340 grams with the battery. The Panasonic Lumix G100 has a standard viewfinder with resolution of 3.8 megapixel. Pros of Panasonic Lumix G100. The first pro of Panasonic Lumix G100, it has vertical filming possible. Second, it is lightweight. And third feature, it has a good audio. The cons of Panasonic Lumix G100: USB 2.0 and no earphone jack. On number 2, Canon Eos M6 Mark II. The Canon Eos M6 Mark II features a 32.5 megapixel high-resolution sensor and a 14 fps burst rate for shooting 4K footage. The camera features a flip-up LCD as well as face and eye detection. The Canon Eos M6 Mark II is 14.4 ounces in size and dimension 2.8 by 4.7 by 1.9 inches. The camera's LCD is 3 inches in size and offers 1040p resolution with touch capabilities, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, USB-C type, and micro HDMI among the other features available, and it can handle images up to 6960 by 4060 pixel in size. Pros of Canon EOS M6 Mark II: great 32.5 megapixel APS-C sensor and 14 frame per second continuous over 30 frame per second burst, and an uncropped 4K with dual pixel CMOS autofocus. Cons of Canon EOS M6 Mark II: no in-body image stabilization and native EF-M lenses still limited. On number 1, Sony A7 III. The Sony A7 III has a full-frame 24-megapixel BSI sensor and shoots at 10 frames per second with tracking. This mirrorless camera measures 3.9 by 5.0 by 2.5 inches and weighs approximately 1.4 pounds. This mirrorless camera is worth buying because it has a tilting touch LCD, dual SD slots, and a much improved battery. This camera has an XDA OLED type viewfinder with over 2.3 million dots and can capture image up to 6000 by 4000 pixels. A 3-inch tilty touchscreen with 9,21,600 dots is also included with this camera. Pros of Sony A7 III: 10 frame per second continuous shooting, 24 megapixel full-frame BSI sensor, and uncropped 4K video. Cons of Sony A7 III: imbalance with large lenses and no drive or focus mode dials. So guys, this was the video about the best mirrorless cameras for beginners. All the links are given in the description below. Do check them out. If you really enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like today. Thank you so much.